guys, today we have Booty in Pina's gym. This is Joanna, met my girlfriend Joanna. So today we're gonna show you how to work with, how girls working with their booty. Yes? Let's go. Today is my program. Girls can kill it better than guys. Stretching and lunges. Stretch is very important. I need to get you. Let's start from lunges. Yeah, let's go. We literally going like 4 sets, 6 sets, all the way front, all the way back.
Alright.
It's around 45, 46, 48 steps in one side. So let's go. 4 sets.
Let's go.
Let's go. Concentrate on each movement. If you cannot feel it, it will not grow. You need to feel what you're doing. So, next one, we're gonna have as a superset is hip abduction. Keep 90 degrees or maybe 130 degrees. Push your chest front, relax your booty. Squeeze your knees and keep your toes front to your face. Take maximum weight. I'm taking 198. So we're doing 15 so we're doing 15 times slowly. After squeezing, holding 5 times more. Squeeze, hold. You ready? Also, you're supposed to take maximum weight for each leg. You're doing on static. Fully straight your leg, squeeze, hold, feel it, feel burn, and after little relax, again, hit it. To do any exercise if you don't feel it. First feel the muscles, later do it. If you couldn't catch this moment when you feel exactly that muscle which one you want to make less weight, do it again. Cannot feel, less weight, do it again. Feeling good? Pump is there? Girls can kill it better than guys. No, let's take that. Hey. For me, this maximum already like 1 year.
Wow! Let's go! Now we're gonna kill it. Oh my god! Strong woman here. Look at that palm. Wow. Full power.
You're gonna try it.
Oh my god.
54.
Wow.
120.
Oh my word.
54 kg on one leg.
Oh,
This
wow.
is kg.
Hey!
50-40 gym. Try it. Yalla.
Yalla, let's go, Julia.
She's not scared. Her booty.
Yes, let's go. Pump that booty. Oh my word, this is heavy.
When you press it by another leg, don't put pressure on over knee. Never. And on your ankles, just little bit. Don't try to grab it. Don't try to pull your machine with you. Okay, just relax. Concentrate exactly on muscle software. It's gonna be my personal record. Because Joanna pushed me so good. She's telling me to change weight?
Pardon?
Are you sure that I need to change weight?
No, you don't have to. If you want to, you can.
So this booty gets any more than your booty.
I believe you.
How do you take the weights in? I need a towel.
Yeah, sometimes it's leaving bruises
Yeah.
when you have like this.
Oh,
Tanya. So sometimes it will leave bruises on your body. Protect yourself. Use sweater or towels or whatever. As I always do, and always telling, for one muscle, I'm doing one muscle in a time. For one muscle, I'm taking 5 exercises with 3 sets. Maximum repetition, maximum weight. Sometimes drop set. So what does it mean drop set? It means first taking maximum weight, maximum repetition, and if you feel that your stamina still works, you can go more repeats, but just you cannot already carry this weight, so just drop weight and continue. Just till you understand that this is over. Okay. You know, sometimes we just like come to use any machine and there is a lot of weight on the top of small weight, and we are girls, we don't want to even remove this weight.
Yes,
So we have to remove. Yeah, like I don't want to carry this weight. I don't want to remove this weight. So we trying to do the same weight which one already exists, and then later if we cannot do it, okay, we're gonna remove it, or we change machine. Yeah? Yes. So sometimes happening that we come in the middle of set when someone already made it. So then it's easy to jump in, but not to take off. So in that case, he or she who did the set before and who will do it after us is just pushing us to make it. You know.
Yes.
So now, again.
Good.
Blush and reddish. Only 5 exercises, but this exercise gonna kill your booty for the next week. You're gonna feel exactly your booty. Not only hamstrings or front legs, like sometimes you train and say, oh, I feel only my legs, I don't feel my booty. This exercise exactly will kill your booty. If she put makeup to the gym, she belongs to street. Oh my god! Maybe it's true. Who has makeup? Yeah, we have makeup. The most handsome guy in the gym. So today is better. He is the owner of Low Calories. Tell me about your healthy meal plan.
Okay, we've got a meal prep company upstairs at Glutes. We are ready and happy to serve everyone and cater for everyone. If you need any special discounts, talk to her, not to me.
Thank you, Les. See you soon. Have a good workout. Ah! So now the last exercise, you're gonna do 1 leg swing. Each set will be 12 times on each leg. 3 sets. You ready?
Yes. Let's go, Julia.
Let's make it. uncomfortable to make here because of hanger. Make sure that you will not kick anyone on the back. Or just kick it, whatever.
Wow. The full split.
After 140 kg, when I put 16.5 on each leg, I just cannot feel it anymore. So just go as heavy as you can. The maximum what you can, just do it. If you cannot finish 12, no problem. But go as heavy as you can if you want it to grow. When you did your swing back, each time when you're going backward, make it slower. For example, and slowly down. Up, slowly down. Amazing. Exactly. You know what is the best thing when girls working out? We don't need pre-workout, preparing ourselves, eat 2-3 meals for big heavy workout like guys make. It's true.
It's true.
Like
Honestly.
we just now we came like, oh, you free? Oh, I have 1 hour. I have 1 hour. Let's do it. Actually, I don't have my, like, maybe sometimes I cannot force myself because like, let's push each other. Just let's do it. You know?
Nice, I love it.
Yeah.
Good.
It was amazing workout, Joanna.
Yes, thank you so much, Julia.
Yeah, thank you.
Love it.